Hello, I'm Kaya. I'm going to teach you how to speed up Windows XP. Right click onto desktop, properties, then go to desktop, make the background none, then choose whatever color you want, then click OK, and then go to my computer, right click on the system partition, then properties, then desk cleanup, then check all those boxes, check all, then OK. And yes, but before doing this, backup the necessary files in the recycle bin because it will be permanently deleted. Then, if you have this box checked, uncheck it, like this. Here, to get a window on your computer says, apply this to C only on C subfolders and files. Select C only, then OK. And then go to start, run msconfig msconfig. Okay. Go to startup tab, then uncheck the unnecessary softwares like this. Then go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, then uncheck the unnecessary services like this, the Windows Media Player Network and the Roxy hard drive watcher. Just depending on the software you use, uncheck the unnecessary ones. If you want to know the work of any service, just start, run, and write services.msc and enter to get the services of your computer. Click on the one you want to know its work. To get the description here, and you'll know what does it do. Then close, click OK. Here he wants you to restore the computer. While you are doing this, press restore because I'm doing the video short one, so exit without restore, but remember to press restore. After this, go to folder, options, and tools, then view tab, uncheck the first box and apply, and then OK. And after this, go to control panel, and then go to the system here, then advanced performance settings, adjust for best performance, and OK, then OK. After this, go to the administrative tools, then computer management and desk defragmenter, then choose the system partition and analyze. It will check if your desk needs to be defragmented. Here say it doesn't need, but on your computer if it says this volume need to be defragmented, so click defragment. But in my case I will choose close. Then close this and close my computer and open up your Internet Explorer. And then click tools, clear private data, select all this and click clear private data now. Then it's deleted, then close it. Here you will have your computer start up faster and do everything faster. So please, if you need anything, just email me on this email, tut_hycem@hotmail.com and tut_hycem@yahoo.com. Thank you for listening.